What if you could track form submissions from websites and funnels not hosted inside of HighLevel? This is what we call external tracking, and this is a really awesome part of HighLevel that allows us to install a basic tracking script onto a website or funnel that isn't hosted within the platform using a form that isn't hosted in the platform, and that way we can bring the information from this external form into HighLevel seamlessly using a little bit of code. And what's even better, this can also track website and funnel views. So we'll actually get our page views tracked into HighLevel using one little bit of tracking script. This is really cool, so let me show you how it works. All you have to do is log into the sub account where you want to track your form submissions and bring your contacts into. Go ahead and navigate to settings at the bottom left-hand side. Then scroll down and click external tracking. This is where you can manage your external tracking script and also see your form submissions. So if we simply copy and paste this piece of script here, which will be specific to this sub account in our agency, we can then paste this onto our website or a funnel that has our external form, and now any submissions that come in through that form will be brought into HighLevel. Now to copy and paste this, all you have to do is click copy script. And then as it says, make sure to copy and paste this tracking code into every page of your site before the closing body tag. Now, if you don't know how to get here, it's different in every single different website builder. So just navigate to settings. Sometimes it's in domain, sometimes it's in general, and you'll be able to find tracking scripts or head and body scripts. You'll be able to find the different places where you can paste your code and just find the one that is right before the body tag and then paste it there. In this case, here is our website with a very basic form on it. And if we go ahead and inspect this, you can see there is our tracking code right there at the bottom of the page, right before the body tag. So we know this is installed properly on this page. So if you want to confirm that it's installed, just right click, click inspect on your computer, and you'll be able to make sure that this is installed on the website. Additionally, just for testing purposes, here's a website in HighLevel. And if you don't know how to navigate to the tracking code, you just click tracking code right up here. And we're also going to do this on this website as well. So we'll go ahead and paste this right here and click save. Like I said, you'll find this in different places depending on the web builder. Just look up tracking code or where to paste tracking code and you should be good to go. Now, something else to keep in mind is that on this page, you'll be able to see your page views that are being tracked, your form fill outs and opt-ins. You'll also be able to see all of your form submissions here. So if you click this, it will navigate over to the external form submissions page. It'll automatically hyperlink you there, which is really cool. And obviously now in our form submissions page, we'll be able to see internal versus external forms. So if you want to see all the submissions from external forms, you can just select external forms here, and then you'll see the different submissions coming in on this screen. Also, if you're having some trouble with your form submission and maybe it's not working for you, there is a troubleshoot tab. You can go here and you can actually go through all these different steps in order to debug your site and make sure everything is working properly. There's a couple of different things that need to be functioning properly. For one, the form does need to be enclosed within form tags within HTML. There also needs to be an email input field, and it needs to be formatted in this type of way. You should also make sure that you have a standard input for the submission button, and then also avoid using iframes. All this is going to help A, the form work better, but B, also allow those contacts to come seamlessly into HighLevel whenever they are submitted from your website. So we'll go ahead and test these two different examples. We've got this generic lead form on this site that we have pasted our tracking code on. We'll go ahead and fill out these different fields. And yes, additional field info will come over. Just make sure you have custom fields set up to properly map them. And then we'll go ahead and submit this form. Now that this has been submitted, we'll come back into HighLevel, and then we'll go ahead and go back to our installation screen. We'll scroll down, and then we'll be able to see all of our submissions here. This is already super useful, especially if you have a website or funnel that is hosted outside of HighLevel. If you're using another platform in order to achieve different functionality, now you can track those form submissions using forms that aren't hosted in HighLevel, which is really cool. Of course, if you have any questions about this feature or are struggling to get it set up, feel free to refer to the help doc or contact support. If you have any questions about it in general, just leave a comment. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.